So it will be 120 by 2. Your threshold value will be 60. Simple. So here this is how threshold value is calculated. And for each and every pixel, by this formula it is checked whether particular pixel intensity is less than threshold. हमने जो calculate किया है as per that say 60. If it is less than 60, then that pixel is converted into black, that is 0. Else it is converted into 255. Then subplot original image. Then subplot thresholded image J. And जो भी threshold value calculate किया है यहाँ पे T. With this X label, the threshold value is num to string. जो भी number है, that will be displayed of T. For the time, I will comment this section. I'll run only the above part of the program. Okay, I'll run this. So you can see here, this is the original image, which you could see on left hand side. And after thresholding, cameraman is a black and white now. So you get this image. And what is the threshold value T? Can anybody tell me? Yes, please reply. What is the threshold value T? I'm waiting for reply.
One 128.
128. How it is calculated? How it is calculated? How the threshold value T is 128? That means that ultimately means, let's see the, देखो अंडरस्टैंडिंग करना है हमें, बाकी हमें कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. Yes, अंडरस्टैंडिंग करना है हमें. I'm not interested in say what. Yes, the max value is what from this image. Here is the max value 253. Similarly, check what is the mean value from the same. What is mean value is 7. So I have 253 plus 7. It is 260. And it is 260 divided by 2. 130 आना चाहिए. Why it is 128? Yes, why it is 128? It is 128. Maximum plus minimum divided by 2. Max value is 253. 253. Mean value of I is 7. Let's see into the matrix. Though in front of 128, though say less say that doesn't matter while computing the result. But why you're getting mean and max value? So max value यहाँ पे 255 नहीं है, इतना पक्का है. Mean value भी 0 नहीं है. How it is calculated? Somewhat. Okay, it is closer to 130. No worry. Maybe 253 plus 7 it will be 260 divided by 2. It must be near to 130. So here Again, I will do one change into the program. Here it is calculated, mean value suppose is calculated or average value is calculated. Now what I will do, I will comment this function. Where is comment? Yes, I'll comment this function and I'll use this. Instead of using formula, what I said, t is equal to input, enter the threshold value. Manually हमें threshold value देना है. So I will enter threshold value 100 only. Check the result. Just see the result, okay? I'm changing one by one. Again, I will rerun the code. I'll say threshold is 50. Yes, you can see यहाँ पे जो थे black spots वो white में convert हुए हैं because threshold value मैं बहुत less ले रहा हूँ. Let's see, rerun the code again. आप सोचोगे सर इतनी बार क्यों रन कर रहे हैं? We need to understand the threshold, what happens due to different threshold value. I used only 25 threshold value and you can see here ये जो यहाँ पे पूरा black portion है ये निकलते जा रहा है because threshold value मैं इतना दे रहा हूँ कम कि जो भी dark portion है those are converted into white. I use 10 use करने के बाद देखो, can you get anything, any information from this image, output image? If you don't know it is a cameraman suppose, or if you show this output image to a person who has not seen the original image, can he or she predict what is this? Of course not. If you use say high value of intensity, say 200, again you will lose the information. Here the information is lost 200 threshold value के साथ. Some white lines, some white spots on the black background you can see, but no one can predict. But if you use a proper threshold value, then most of the information you will get. Yes, you can see it is a man 130 ke saath. It is a man having camera on the on what tripod. There is some building is there. Somewhat information can be extracted. Similarly, if in biomedical images like a doctor want to diagnose how many bones are there in say particular part of the body, how many of them are broken or missing, and if it is not properly segmented, what is this? This is nothing but the image segmentation. If those are not properly segmented, what will happen? The final diagnosis will be wrong. So therefore choosing any value of threshold is not feasible. Again, I will comment this. I wanted to run the further part of the program. So what is the further part of the program? This one, local thresholding. वही है जो हमने किया है. Sorry. So it is a MATLAB program for local thresholding. Second part of this same. T is the gray thresh of I. क्या करता है gray thresh? Can anybody tell me what is gray thresh?
It gives threshold value.
It will compute the threshold value as we already did this. It will get the threshold value from original image I. And directly I used aim to BW command, and whatever threshold value it has computed, I used for thresholding and directly displayed the output and the input image. What is this command? Do you know this command? Im show pair montage. We already did this in earlier lectures. Intentionally, I use such type of say different. I try to use different syntaxes for displaying, for reading. Im show pair I comma bw comma montage. What this command will do? I'm waiting for reply. Yes. What this in function says or what it will perform. Before I run the program, I need answer. I'm waiting for reply. Yes, any answer? Im show pair. What this information? What this command do?
Sir, it will show the output now.
Will show the output, but image, input image
Sir,
and output image,
compared.
whatever are the two images
Sir,
will be
comparison.
simultaneously shown. Means I is the input image and BW is the output image. They will be shown on similar plane and joined together. Near by near aate hai, like this. Yeah, this one. And I already told this. Nothing special. It can be separated using subplot. It may, you may show the images separately like this. I'll try here. Say I'll write here figure comma im show in bracket capital I. Yes, one figure. I may go for another im show comma BW. So I do have two different images here. Separate. Doesn't matter. I have this image. Also, I have this image. This and this. These two different images are there. Okay. But comparing this is problematic. Somebody may want both the images on similar window. In that case, we may use subplot. We may use say im show pair likewise. So here is the experiment of thresholding. DCTB हो चुका है हमारा. So this is how we perform experiment of thresholding. Threshold value इसमें है. This is the computed when gray thresh से निकला हुआ जो threshold value है that is 0.345 और ये compute किया हुआ जो threshold value है using max plus min divide by 2 ये यहाँ पे है T में. So here we have completed experiment number 7. We do have one more experiment with us. That is experiment number 8. I know you already gone through this concept to develop a code for edge detection. उसके लिए 3 filter है using derivative filter mask with Previtt, Sobel and Laplacian operator. So you can see the master list here. Since from experiment number 1 up to experiment number 8, there are experiment related to the image processing and already in DIP taught by Dr. Tibdal sir and in SDL2 we went through all these concept and later on we perform the practicals. You know what is histogram. I taught you what is histogram. Then after we perform this experiment, then what is different enhancement techniques to improve the contrast and brightness. Image arithmetic sir ne liya tha. Then after I completed this experiment, then filtering also similarly. So these are the again filters Previtt, Sobel and Laplacian, which will apply. Very simple functions are there which will apply on the particular image. So let's see the experiment number 8. Write up for these all experiment you will be getting on the Teams very soon, so that you can write the theory code and output के बारे में related to output. You may take screenshot of the output. Okay, so experiment number 8 here is to develop code for edge detection using derivative filter mask. Which are the derivative filter masks? Previtt, Sobel and Laplacian operator. So just quickly we will see the code. These are the mandate instructions that I always use in any of the program. So that the previous workspace जो है ये वाला here BW, I, J, M, T ये thresholding वाले जितना भी create हुआ है workspace that will automatically get cleared using this command. If certain output windows are unfortunately open, those are automatically closed. and by this CLC command your command prompt will be cleared or blank. So then after one of the image is read, that is I is equal to imread cameraman.tif, it is subplotted, subplotted and given title original image. Then we use what age operator or age function to apply such type of filter, Sobel operator. So very simple code is there, no need to even remember. Only if you know this function bw equal to age, ये bw लेना भी ऐसा जरूरी नहीं, you may go for any name, new image I J K L, जो भी ऊपर नहीं लिया है वो रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. I यहाँ पे है, other than I you may say assign any name. If you assign I, then it will be overwriting of the image. So black and white image 1, age function is equal to I, comma Sobel filter use किया है, so we'll be directly writing a word that is Sobel. Then subplot किया है उस image को and given a title Sobel image. Then private operator same, next image को नाम दिया है bw1, age filtering से on original image I we applied private filter, spelling PREWITT, and subplotted with private image title. And Laplacian के लिए log filter, log लिखना पड़ता है, bw2 age in bracket I comma log, subplotted that with log image, or you may say Laplacian image. Later on I'll just simply run this code. So after this code you'll get the image, output image of different filters, Sobel, Previt and Laplacian filter, and the ages of the image is detected, wherein you can see Sobel and Previt is quite good. Out of Sobel and Previt, if you see the literature, Sobel is quite good for detecting the age of the image, and in the log filter you can see some unwanted part into the original image. Those are also showing you the ages. Now it is up to you, like if you want only ages of the cameraman and the tripod that he has, so you may go for the Sobel. But you can see log में क्या हुआ है, log में each and every information is clearly obtained. पीछे जो building वगैरह है, the ages of those building is also available. But in addition to that, whatever is the ground on which the tripod is kept, वो ground के भी कुछ noise आया है वहाँ पे, ages in the form of ages. So here, of course, depending on the application, we have to judge or decide which filter, which age detection filter is to be used, or which derivative filter mask is to be used. Again, in certain applications, you do have say vertical lines, you do have some horizontal lines after detecting age. So you may eliminate certain by using, say, certain functions. So here, in addition to this, whatever the functions that we have not seen yet, as it was not the part of the experiments, that we'll see today, and later on we'll finish the lecture. Once more I will go through the list of the experiment, because I wanted to, yeah, it is SDL 5 master list. So in this list, 8 experiments are based on image processing. If you see the syllabus, you have 2 units for this image processing. Later on, third unit is on digital communication based. So on basis of that third unit, we kept 2 experiment here. Simulate the program segment for generator matrix of 10 by 4 linear block coding and determine all code words and minimum weight of the code, and perform QAM Monte Carlo simulation of 16 QAM communication system using rectangular signal constellation. ये दो है, ये हम बाद में हम एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म करेंगे once we come to the communication unit, that is the third unit of the syllabus. Let me see the syllabus of SDL. Okay, so you can see the, ये हमने लिया है पूरा इमेज प्रोसेसिंग यूजिंग मैटलैब, वर्किंग विथ इमेज टाइप्स क्या रहते हैं, इमेज इंपोर्टिंग एंड एक्सपोर्टिंग, displaying image, writing image, then finding image characteristic, converting image formats, then image enhancement techniques, ये तो हमने प्रैक्टिकल में देखा है, adjusting image intensity, enhancing image, इसका भी arithmetic operation से कैसे enhance होते हैं, addition, multiplication, subtraction, likewise. Rotating image ये हमने नहीं लिया है, today I'll show you. Rotating and cropping image, resizing image, block processing, image convolution, correlation, spatial domain, frequency domain, ये सब लिया है. Then age detection algorithm we gone through. So we'll see, even though these are not in the practical, but we have to go through unit number 3, that is transformation. हमने कुछ देखे हैं, reduction of noise in paper and salt noise, we reduce that. Deblurring image हमें देखना है. Correcting background elimination हमें देखना है. Thresholding we gone through. Age detection we gone through. Watershed segmentation we'll see. Morphological operations we'll see later on, and performance evaluation ROC analysis we'll see. And once these points will be covered, later on we'll come to the signal processing in communication system, Monte Carlo. ये वाला जो है 8, experiment number 9 and 10 is based on unit number 1. We started with unit number 2 initially, as the number of experiment are more on particular units, so we went through that first. So quickly what we'll do, we'll go through the image rotation and resizing, and then we'll stop. Okay, so here is the code for image resizing and rotation. So of course, whenever we are performing certain operations, then we need an image to work on. So here cameraman.tif is read with label I, subplotted that, and subplotted with title original image. Of course, we are performing point operation on image, as we are resizing, then we are compressing, and if we are rotating means we are rotating the pixel, means we are changing the location of the pixels. So that's why we need the size. That's why size of the image is taken here, mn size of I. Then x label क्या किया है, rows, कितने rows है, it is converted to num to string m. इस rows अगर 256 है, it will show you to 256. x label columns, जितने columns है उतने columns हमें दिखाएगा. 256 है तो 256, 100 है तो 100, 128 है तो 128. Then there is a direct command j is a new label. Im resize is the command which will resize the image. I and 0.5, it is 50% इसे reduction करेगा. That's why it is a 0.5. If you write 0.2, it is 20% compress करेगा, 20%. And again, this is what subplotted with resized image title. और उसका भी हमें साइज देखना है, रिसाइज हुआ है तो हुआ है या नहीं, 256 by 256 है, इज इट नाउ 128 by 128 एज इट इज 0.5 रिडक्शन, सो दैट विल सी। सो उसको भी एक्स लेबल करना है, व्हाट इज n and m, is it 128 by 128, let's see. So this code is related to resizing of image up to this. Then what about the rotating image? So for that the input argument is asked, r is the rotation angle. You may use another word or letter. So r is equal to input, enter the angle of rotation. So if you want to rotate this, with angle 50 or say angle 45, you may put 45. If you, it will be clockwise rotation. If you want anti-clockwise 45, then you may write minus 45. We'll see this while we run this code. Then k, next command is k, and what is function? Sorry, k is a new variable. Function is im rotate. किसे rotate करना है? जो भी original image आई थी. How much rotate करना है? With an angle r, which will be entered from the keyboard, because this is the input asked by the program. And subplot किया है rotated image नाम से. और labeling किया है rotated by, जो भी हम यहाँ rotation angle देंगे r का, that will be displayed. 45 लिखा तो it will be 45, minus 45 लिखा तो minus 45, 90 likewise. So I'll run this code. So now you can see only two results are there. One is original image, रो एंड कॉलम्स दिए है 256 by 256, जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे है, दैट इज शोइंग यू what original image of the cameraman having 256 by 256 pixel size. Now next is what? Second image is the compressed image or resized image. Is there any change in quality of resized image and original image? Yes. Is there any quality change? I'm waiting for the reply. Visually दिख जाता है, कोई tough question नहीं. Which image is better?
First one.
First
Because
one.
because in second it is 50% compressed or reduced. So in that case, what happened? Some of the pixel informations are omitted. So that's why it is somewhat blurred. You can see it is not clear as that much of original image. Now third result is not yet obtained. Third result क्या है? Rotation. क्यों नहीं मिला है? Because we have not yet entered. Rotation angle. As I enter that, it will show you the result. I'll enter 45. I wanted to rotate it with 45 degree. So you can see after rotation, what you will get. Yes, this is an image. With 45 degree rotated by 45 degree angle. And cameraman is rotated. Now it is not, it is original image rotated, not compressed image. Let's see with 45 degree minus, does it work or not? Again, it is asking for angle of rotation. I'll write minus 45 now. Enter. So this is the minus 45. पहले anti-clockwise rotation हुआ था. Now it is a clockwise rotation with minus 45. You may use 90 degree. You may use minus 90. Rerun the code. Give the 90 degree. We'll have a result. So this is the 90 degree rotation of the image. Any questions from your side till the time? Any questions from your side?